Hello, I'm in a 2015 Hyundai Tucson, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your time and date for your display. So first you want to make sure the vehicle's turned on, just normal key start in this case, it's already on. And then once this all loads up, we're going to hit clock, and then we'll just press and hold clock. And then from here, go up or down as needed till you get to the times that you want, and then it's just auto saving. So that's it for that. And then from here, so I kind of click through just to make sure, explain it right. So from setup, so you get to the calendar part, you go there. So setup, calendar, and then we already just did the clock as I showed you one way. You could do it from this way as well. It'll take you to the same screen. And then this calendar settings, push here, and then same thing, up or down for each month, day, and year, till you get the dates that you need. So we'll pretend it's December 31st today. But that's it. I hope that was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.